Bottom side. It looks like they are on the bottom side of that stuck. I can't get a better view of that. Oh, okay, reverse angle. Yeah. So that's the damage water caused in a motor. I don't know if you can see all the pretty colors or not, but the flat does the number. If left setting. Let's see how deep those grooves go. Oh man. The top part. Worse than the bottom. I'm thinking the piston probably stuck on that ring part there. So yeah, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck closed there. That's good. So we just got that bottom damage.